beautiful. The most beautiful wedding I've ever been to.
Yeah, say go to.
Parang lahat ng suppliers ngayon nag-exceed dun sa expectations namin.
Made me cry, made us cry. Beautiful photos, beautiful everything like that. Thank you so much.
Mula ngayon,